Oh my goodness. 2025s are starting to arrive. I love it. I am taking a look at a Forest River Wildwood Heritage Glen Hyper-Lyte. The model number is 27RKHL. Of course, HL is Hyper-Lyte. Laminate exterior finish, folks. I can't get over how they've packed this full of features for one low price. Love it. How about a large outside fridge? We got outside speakers, LED lights, power awning, solid steps. We got a doggy leash latch. Out back, more action. Suburban instant hot water. We got a spot here for your stinky slinky. Cable connection, satellite hookup, prep for a ladder, prep for a backup camera, outside shower. We got the city water connection, fresh water connection, and also the blank tank flush. Look at the new windows. Can't wait to show you the blinds. They're all squared up. Love it. All trailers should have those windows. Oh yeah, folks. Fiberglass roof. Ah, thank you. Dry weight, just under 7,300 pounds. This does have a power tongue jack out front. Not only that, front and rear stabilizer bars. A beautiful fiberglass front cap. Take a look at the construction out here and storage. We got plywood construction out front, aluminum construction. This is for the VersaTilt bed that I'm going to show you. There you go. One piece fiberglass roof. Let's go in. All right, walking into the Heritage Glen. Definitely these Heritage Glens are a major step up from your regular Wildwood stick and tin. Look at the beautiful furniture. Absolutely no carpet whatsoever. That sofa does convert into a bed. That dinette converts into a bed. I love these colors. Beautiful recliners. Furrion 12-volt fridge that works on electricity. Furrion microwave. Beautiful cabinets. Now, take a look at the view here. And that blind's not all the way open. Look how this operates. Love it. And the other one, same thing. All right. Check this out. Fireplace. It kind of looks like a mirror right now, but once you turn the fireplace on, hello, heat. Beautiful. Large TV, but check this out. Yep. We got storage out back with a motion sensing light. See, that is where the King Connect connection goes, if you choose to get one. All right, bathroom up next. There we go. That is a porcelain toilet, folks. How do I know? I don't even need to touch it. The sticker tells me. That comes off. Look at that mirror, how it looks like it's floating. Got a medicine cabinet, skylight, a well-placed fan. Beautiful. All right, let's keep going. Here we go. King size bed on the VersaTilt. Storage underneath. You're like, what is a VersaTilt? I'll show you in a second. Here's a spot to mount another TV if you wish to do so. Take a look at these blinds, guys. So, daytime. Oh, excuse me. That was nighttime. That's daytime. And that's for mosquitoes. Check this out. Nice big closet. And guess what? We are prepped for a washer-dryer combo here. So you know what that means. You can live in this thing! All right, let me show you the Versatilt. Again, love the stickers. Makes it idiot-proof. There we go. There's the button for it. Let's go. Is it Star Trek time? Yep, here we go. Star Trek. How you like them apples? I love it. And on both sides, we got USB connection and power connections. Folks, I am very, very impressed with this 2025 Wildwood Heritage Glen. If you are, please give one of our friendly sales staff a call. Book an appointment. We will get this coach ready for you. Ready to show. And hopefully, ready to tow. So you can bring that home or to your local campground. National Park. 80 Commerce Street, Moncton, New Brunswick. See you soon. If you like what you see, please give us a call at 388-5751. Or you can send us a text, email, and we can even do FaceTime with you if you want to see more.